In a landscape where technological advancements are rapidly transforming our understanding of the universe, NASA's Langley Research Center continues to pave the way for innovation and discovery. The agency recently released its 2024 annual report showcasing a range of groundbreaking projects and initiatives that underscore its commitment to addressing some of the most pressing challenges in aeronautics, space exploration, and Earth science research. At NASA's Langley Research Center, we are proud of our world-renowned role in innovating and improving the way we fly, explore, and understand our universe, stated Langley leadership in the report's introduction. This message encapsulates the passion and expertise of the workforce dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Among the highlighted achievements in the report is the development of NASA's X-59 supersonic experimental aircraft, a pivotal step toward the future of quieter supersonic flights. The X-59 aims to demonstrate that supersonic flight can be achieved without the disruptive sonic booms that have long plagued the industry. This aircraft is not just a technical marvel but also a crucial part of NASA's strategy to reshape air travel, making it more efficient and sustainable. Furthermore, Langley has spearheaded the largest air quality campaign in history, collaborating with several countries across Asia. This initiative aims to gather vital data to understand air pollution's impact on human health and the environment. The findings from this campaign are expected to influence international policies and improve air quality standards globally. In addition to these projects, the report reveals advancements in lunar exploration technologies. An autonomous robotic manipulation system has been developed with the potential to facilitate human activities on the Moon. This system, designed for use in NASA's future lunar missions, highlights the agency's commitment to establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon as part of its Artemis program. Looking ahead, the excitement is palpable as Florida's Space Coast gears up for a busy launch schedule. With a record 93 orbital rocket launches in 2024, the region is poised to continue breaking records in the new year. Key missions include SpaceX's Starlink satellite launches and the highly anticipated maiden flight of Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, which promises to enhance the capabilities of commercial spaceflight. Notably, the upcoming NASA-SpaceX Blue Ghost mission aims to deliver a lunar lander as part of the Artemis initiative, further solidifying the collaboration between NASA and private space companies. In a broader context, recent changes in federal workforce policy may also impact NASA's operations. An executive order signed on January 20, 2025, aims to increase political positions within the federal workforce via Schedule F, which could influence staffing and operational dynamics at agencies like NASA. The order reinstates previous guidelines and creates a new framework for policy influencing roles, potentially affecting the agency's strategic direction. As NASA continues to innovate and adapt, the future of space exploration appears bright. With ambitious projects underway and collaborations expanding across the globe, the agency is well positioned to not only meet current challenges but also to inspire future generations of scientists and engineers. The coming months will be crucial as NASA and its partners embark on new missions that could redefine humanity's understanding of the cosmos. With each launch and each technological breakthrough, the wonder at work at Langley and beyond is palpable, promising an exciting roadmap ahead in the realms of aeronautics and space exploration. The upcoming induction ceremony for the U.S. Astronaut Hall of Fame promises to be a momentous occasion, as it will celebrate the extraordinary achievements of two pioneering space travelers, Peggy Whitson and Bernard Harris. Scheduled for May 31, 2025 at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, this event will honor the remarkable contributions of these astronauts to space exploration and science. However, the ceremony may unfold under unique circumstances, as Whitson could be orbiting the Earth at that time, marking a historic first for the Hall of Fame. Whitson, a record-setting astronaut, holds the distinction of having spent more time in space than any other American, with a total of 675 days across 4 missions. She is also the first woman to command the International Space Station (ISS) and has completed 10 spacewalks, the most by any female astronaut. Since leaving NASA in 2018, she has continued to make strides in the field of space exploration as the director of human spaceflight at Axiom Space. With her upcoming Axiom Mission 4X4 launch potentially overlapping with the Hall of Fame ceremony, she could become the first inductee to be honored while in orbit. In a statement, Kurt Brown, chair of the Astronaut Scholarship Foundation, expressed the significance of inducting Harris and Whitson. Harris and Whitson continue to serve as exemplary role models in their post-NASA careers. What a tremendous honor to induct them into the U.S. Astronaut Hall of Fame. Harris, who became the first black astronaut to conduct a spacewalk during his mission on the Discovery in 1995, has also left an indelible mark on space exploration. His legacy includes pioneering medical research that has improved astronaut health and performance in space. Harris's contributions to NASA began in 1990 following a fellowship at Ames Research Center, after which he served as a research scientist and flight surgeon. His work led to the development of in-flight countermeasures, including exercise equipment crucial for maintaining astronaut health during long missions. Over his 2 spaceflights, he logged more than 18 days in space, performing groundbreaking experiments and demonstrating advanced spacewalking techniques. Today he serves as the president and CEO of Vesalius Ventures, focusing on healthcare technologies and STEM education through his foundation. The ceremony will take place against the backdrop of the retired Space Shuttle Atlantis, where the public is invited to witness the induction of these 2 exceptional individuals into the Hall of Fame. This year's event highlights not only their storied careers but also the ongoing advancements in space exploration, particularly in commercial spaceflight, as exemplified by Whitson's recent endeavors. Meanwhile, the International Space Station continues to be a hub of scientific research and innovation. NASA recently held its annual Human Research Program Investigators Workshop in Galveston, Texas, focusing on the future of space-based research. With a theme emphasizing global partnerships, the event showcased cutting-edge studies aimed at enhancing astronaut health and performance while simultaneously providing benefits for life on Earth. As the ISS National Lab engages with scientists and engineers from around the world, the discussions during this workshop underscore the critical role of international collaboration in advancing space-based research. Notably, astronaut Mike Barrett shared insights from his recent missions, reinforcing the importance of human research in microgravity. In addition to these significant events, astronauts aboard the ISS are actively engaged in various experiments, including agricultural studies that explore the potential for growing food in space. This week, astronauts harvested red lettuce as part of their ongoing research into the nutritional value of crops cultivated in microgravity, a vital pursuit for future long-duration missions. As we look forward to the Hall of Fame induction and the ongoing work at the ISS, it is clear that the legacy of Whitson and Harris will inspire future generations of astronauts and scientists. Their achievements not only set benchmarks in space exploration but also pave the way for innovative research that will enhance life both in space and on Earth. The future of human spaceflight is bright. And as new missions are planned and conducted, the impact of these trailblazers will undoubtedly echo through the annals of space history. The U.S. Astronaut Hall of Fame is set to celebrate the remarkable careers of 2 pioneering figures in space exploration, Peggy Whitson and Bernard Harris, with a public induction ceremony scheduled for May 31, 2025 at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex in Florida. As the ceremony approaches, a unique twist has emerged. Whitson could potentially be orbiting Earth at the time of her induction, as she is slated to participate in Axiom mission for a commercial flight to the International Space Station ISS, with a launch window that may overlap with the event. If this occurs, Whitson would make history as the first astronaut to enter the Hall of Fame while actively in space. Whitson, who previously served as NASA's chief of the astronaut office, holds an impressive record of accomplishments. With 675 days spent in space across 4 missions, she is the American with the longest cumulative time in orbit and the oldest woman to have done so. Notably, she has also completed 10 spacewalks, the most by any female astronaut. Whitson's recent transition to Axiom Space has allowed her to return to space after retiring from NASA in 2018, showcasing her continued influence in the field of human spaceflight. Harris, who became a NASA astronaut in 1990, is renowned for his groundbreaking achievements as well. He made history in 1995 as the first black astronaut to perform an extravehicular activity (EVA) during his second shuttle mission STS-63. Harris's contributions to spaceflight extend beyond his missions. He has played an instrumental role in advancing medical research in space, including developing countermeasures to help astronauts maintain health during long-duration spaceflights. His work has had lasting impacts, particularly in the area of exercise equipment now used on the ISS. Kurt Brown, a former Space Shuttle commander and chair of the Astronaut Scholarship Foundation (ASF), expressed pride in honoring both Whitson and Harris. Harris and Whitson continue to serve as exemplary role models in their post-NASA careers. "What a tremendous honor to induct them into the U.S. Astronaut Hall of Fame," he stated. This induction not only recognizes their past accomplishments but also emphasizes their ongoing contributions to science education and the promotion of STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics initiatives. The ceremony, held under the retired Space Shuttle Atlantis, will welcome the public to celebrate these two trailblazing astronauts. Following the induction, a formal gala organized by the ASF will commemorate the new inductees at the Apollo/Saturn V Center, further highlighting their significant roles in NASA's mission and program. As Whitson prepares for her upcoming mission and Harris continues his advocacy for STEM education through the Harris Foundation, the induction ceremony serves as a reminder of the evolving landscape of space exploration. The potential overlap of Whitson's induction with her mission underscores the increasing involvement of commercial spaceflight in human exploration, paving the way for future astronauts to continue breaking barriers and setting new records. The U.S. Astronaut Hall of Fame, established in 1990 as part of the Heroes and Legends attraction, aims to honor those who have made substantial contributions to space exploration. With the addition of Harris and Whitson, the Hall not only acknowledges their extraordinary achievements but also inspires a new generation of explorers eager to follow in their footsteps. As the space industry continues to evolve, the legacies of these remarkable astronauts will undoubtedly shape the future of human spaceflight for years to come. NASA's Langley Research Center has recently unveiled its 2024 annual report, highlighting a series of remarkable achievements that underscore the institution's commitment to innovation in aeronautics, space exploration, and Earth science. The report serves as a testament to the dedication of Langley's workforce, which is described by leadership as driven by passion, dedication, and expertise in addressing some of the most pressing challenges facing the nation. In a statement reflecting on their accomplishments, the Langley leadership emphasized, "At NASA's Langley Research Center, we are proud of our world-renowned role in innovating and improving the way we fly, explore, and understand our universe." Among the standout projects featured in the report is the development of NASA's X-59 supersonic experimental aircraft, which aims to revolutionize air travel by reducing the sonic boom that has long hindered supersonic flight over land. Additionally, the report details the largest air quality campaign ever undertaken in collaboration with several countries across Asia, aimed at enhancing our understanding of global air quality issues. Furthermore, the report highlights an autonomous robotic manipulation system designed to support future lunar exploration by providing NASA with a capable robotic crew for tasks on the Moon. The previous year's report, released simultaneously, celebrated Langley's contributions in 2023 that transformed imaginative concepts into tangible technologies. Langley Center Director Clayton P. Turner remarked, "Our inquisitive nature propels us on our mission to reach for new heights and reveal the unknown for the benefit of humankind." This commitment manifests in initiatives focused on the development of self-flying drones, emission-reducing aircraft, and innovative space exploration technologies, such as inflatable heat shields that promise to enhance payload capabilities. In parallel with these advancements in aeronautics and space exploration, NASA has made significant strides in astrophysics. A groundbreaking study utilizing data from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and the Very Large Telescope revealed that the universe's most massive black holes can essentially create their own meals. This discovery showcases how black hole outbursts cool surrounding gas, which in turn feeds the black holes, establishing a self-sustaining cosmic cycle. NASA notes that this model suggests a correlation between the brightness of hot and warm gas filaments in galaxy clusters, where increased brightness indicates potential feeding activity of black holes. The implications of this research extend beyond mere cosmic curiosity. They offer vital insights into the processes governing star formation. The study, led by Valeria Olivares from the University of Santiago de Chile, examined data from 7 galaxy clusters housing supermassive black holes. NASA underscores the significance of understanding these gas-filled filaments, which not only feed black holes but also play a crucial role in new star formation. Moreover, as NASA continues to push the boundaries of space research, the ISS National Laboratory is set to host its annual Human Research Program Investigators Workshop. This event, taking place from January 28 to 31 in Galveston, Texas, will focus on collaborative efforts in space-based R&D, showcasing how partnerships with commercial companies and international agencies are driving advancements in astronaut health and broader applications that benefit life on Earth. With insights from NASA astronaut Mike Barrett and discussions on the pivotal role of government support, the workshop aims to highlight the ongoing impact of microgravity research. As NASA charts its course into the future, the agency remains steadfast in its mission to explore, innovate, and inspire. The revelations from Langley's reports and the black hole study underscore not only the agency's diverse capabilities but also its commitment to addressing fundamental questions about our universe while continuing to lead in technological advancements that enhance life both on Earth and beyond. As NASA embarks on new initiatives and projects, the scientific community eagerly anticipates the next set of breakthroughs that will further illuminate the wonders of space and our place within it. NASA's Mars rover Curiosity continues its exploration of the Red Planet, with recent updates highlighting its ongoing investigations into Martian clouds and geological features. As the mission reaches sols 4434 to 4436, the team behind Curiosity has reported on the rover's exciting findings and its activities, which stand as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge about our solar system. In a recent update from January 28, 2025, the Curiosity team shared stunning images of noctilucent clouds, often referred to as night-shining clouds, captured during twilight. These clouds, which were photographed using Curiosity's mast camera, provide insight into Martian atmospheric conditions and the planet's climatic processes. The photo, taken on Sol 4426 or Martian Day 4426, showcases the beauty of these ethereal formations, offering a glimpse into the complexities of Mars' environment. The backdrop to this scientific endeavor is a challenging situation back on Earth, where wildfires continue to blaze in Southern California. The team operating Curiosity from Malin Space Science Systems in San Diego has faced the dual challenge of ensuring the rover's operations while dealing with the threat of nearby flames. Fortunately, the team reports that they remain safe and are able to direct Curiosity's activities without disruption. It's a blessing to still be able to plan activities for Curiosity, commented Natalie Moore, mission operations specialist. The team successfully executed a drive of approximately 29 meters, allowing them to conduct further scientific observations. The weekend's planning included a series of remote science activities which involved the ChemCam firing lasers at specific geological targets, including a fractured block named Baudry. Additionally, the mast cam was tasked with capturing over 120 images of various formations such as the layered Mount Hollywood and the rustic canyon crater, which holds potential clues about the Martian surface and its history. Following the remote science block, Curiosity initiated contact science activities where it utilized its MOLI and APXS instruments to analyze specific targets in detail, including Little Jimmy, a smooth gray rock, and Acton, a conglomerate with a chippy texture. Notably, MOLI's imaging capabilities were put to the test as it sought to capture additional evidence of a potential meteorite intriguingly named Wildhorse. As the mission progresses,
The anticipation for more atmospheric phenomena remains high.
The team plans to conduct a cloud survey post-drive, hoping to capture more images of the noctilucent clouds before the observation season concludes, an event that may not occur again for another 2 Earth years. "Hoping for clouds here on Earth this weekend too," said Moore, echoing the sentiment of many who are watching the Mars mission unfold. The data and images collected by Curiosity not only enrich our understanding of Mars but also pave the way for future explorations of the planet, including potential manned missions. As Curiosity continues to traverse the Martian landscape, it stands as a beacon of scientific inquiry, reminding us of the wonders that lie beyond our own planet. The mission exemplifies the importance of perseverance and adaptability, qualities that will be crucial as we look forward to upcoming missions and the continued exploration of our solar system. In a significant leap forward for lunar exploration, Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost Mission 1 has successfully captured its first image of the Moon from Earth orbit, marking a crucial milestone in NASA's Artemis program. This mission, which is designed to deliver scientific instruments to the lunar surface, recently completed its second engine burn, propelling the lander toward its destination after nearly 2 weeks in orbit. As the spacecraft embarks on this journey, it continues to undergo routine health assessments of its payloads, ensuring that key instruments remain operational and ready for the challenges ahead. The Blue Ghost mission carries a suite of NASA instruments, including the Lunar Environment Heliospheric X-ray Imager LEXI and the Lunar GNSS Receiver Experiment LUGRE, both of which are vital for understanding the lunar environment and supporting future lunar habitation efforts. Firefly's payload teams are actively calibrating these instruments and analyzing data to ensure their effectiveness upon arrival at the Moon. This mission is part of NASA's larger Artemis initiative, which aims to return humans to the lunar surface and eventually pave the way for crewed missions to Mars. Complementing these advancements in lunar technology, researchers from the University of California, San Diego UCSD are making strides in locating viable water sources on the Moon. Their findings suggest that understanding the origins of lunar water, whether it is indigenous, created by solar winds, or deposited by icy comets, will be crucial for supporting human life on the Moon. The research, published in a special issue of the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, emphasizes the importance of identifying water sources to inform the placement of future lunar habitats. Mark Thymans, a distinguished professor at UCSD, along with his son Maxwell Thymans, conducted experiments analyzing lunar rocks returned from the Apollo missions. Their work revealed that most of the Moon's water likely originated from the Moon itself or from comet impacts rather than from solar wind. The more complicated method of solar wind-derived water doesn't appear to have been that productive, noted Maxwell Thymans. This insight could significantly influence the logistics of establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon. As NASA and other global space agencies set their sights on building a permanent base on the lunar surface, innovative technologies such as 3D printing and robotics are emerging as pivotal solutions. A recent study highlights the potential of using lunar regolith, fine dust found on the Moon's surface, for 3D printing habitats and infrastructure. This approach could drastically reduce the need for transporting materials from Earth, thus making lunar construction more feasible. Mohammad Azami, a PhD candidate at Concordia University, emphasized that manufacturing tools and structures on site is essential for long-term lunar habitation. These three technologies operating together offer versatility, explained Krzysztof Skonieczny, an associate professor at the Concordia Institute of Aerospace Design and Innovation. The integration of 3D printing, robotics, and artificial intelligence will provide adaptive solutions to the unique challenges posed by the lunar environment. The implications of these advancements extend beyond the Moon, as establishing a lunar base is seen as a crucial stepping stone toward future human missions to Mars. The lessons learned from constructing a sustainable presence on the Moon will inform strategies for resource utilization and human habitation on the Red Planet. The real goal of Artemis is to get to Mars, stated Mark Thymans, underscoring the interconnected nature of these ambitious space exploration objectives.
As we witness these remarkable strides in lunar exploration, the future holds great promise.
With ongoing research and technological innovations, humanity is increasingly positioned to not only explore but also inhabit celestial bodies beyond Earth.
The next decade will be pivotal as we transition from exploration to permanent presence, laying the groundwork for a new era of space exploration that reaches far beyond our home planet.